Welcome back to our Canvas workshop series, designed to help you navigate and utilize Canvas effectively. Today, we'll walk you through how to use SensusAccess to convert files into accessible formats. Once you're logged in, go to your Canvas dashboard and click on the course from which you want to download files. In the course menu on the left side, click on Modules. Browse through the modules to find the file you would like to convert. Within the page that you have selected, look for the SensusAccess logo. It is represented by a white S inside a black circle and is usually placed after the title name. Click on the SensusAccess logo to open a pop-up window prompting you to convert a file. In the pop-up window, select a document from Canvas that you want to convert. Next, select the desired output format for your file from the available options, such as MP3, ebook, Braille, Beeline Reader, and translation. An optional step is to adjust the conversion parameters for your desired output format. For example, for my MP3 conversion, I can adjust the language and the speed. However, keep in mind that if you change the conversion type, the conversion parameters will also change. Now you can choose how you want the converted file to be delivered. You can either have it emailed to you or directly downloaded. If you choose email, the converted document will be sent to the email address that is associated with your Canvas account. You will receive a confirmation that the document was submitted for conversion, and it will be delivered to your email address. Please give it a few minutes to be emailed to you. If you choose download, the converted document will be downloaded to your browser. You can find the document by clicking on the download shortcut on your browser and saving it to your computer.
Conversion practice. Understanding time management. Time management is a critical skill for college students.
And that's it. You have successfully converted a file using SensusAccess on Canvas. Thank you for joining this workshop and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.